suggest that you ask your friend, the Cardassian liaison admiral. The only explanation I can think of is that the Cardassians staged it.
Cardassians? Why?
Perhaps they were hoping to find someone in Starfleet, like you, Admiral, naive enough to solve their Bajoran problem for them.
What will happen to him?
I'm not sure. A healing certainly. Probably a fortnight.
Well, if we get sent to the Stargate on
Can you grab him?
tell him to request a room in the West
Can you get your keys?
in the afternoons.
We need to go to the store. You need to get your keys. Oh,
Fire station alpha, sir.
you're driving.
In a few weeks, we have some surveying to do in Sector 213.
Can you get the blue one?
Perhaps I should arrange for
Where's the blue key? That's the yellow key.
You were recruited for one
Oh, that's the orange key.
to relieve them. But a duty I can certainly arrange
I need the blue key.
remaining in Starfleet.
Hmm? Ba ba ba. Ba 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 ba. Ma 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 ma.
Lose someone of your protection.
Ba ba da da da.
well, thank you.
Did that make more sense? Hmm?
Form just doesn't fit. You know it.
That can change.
I don't think so.
Good job. You're much closer to the blue key.
I've noticed qualities
Yes.
harnessed, molded.
Good boy.
I think you've got a great deal to learn from Starfleet.
I was at Starfleet had a lot to learn from me, Captain.
That's an attitude that I found common among the best officers I've ever served with. But you're not one of them yet. You could be if you work at it.
That's an interesting challenge. And I rarely refuse an interesting
Good
challenge.
job.
There would have to be one condition.
You're getting so good at playing with your toys. Just last week, you didn't even know what to do with these. And now you're getting ready to drive me to the store.
Ricardo Enterprise.
That is so cool.